Hey guys, it's Robert, and currently here at one of my clients. This is going to be a mirror cleaning and window cleaning job. So this is one of my regular storefront clients that I have on my route. I just finished my course, the Storefront Window Cleaning Blueprint, in which I teach you how to acquire businesses like this as clients and how to secure recurring cleaning packages with them so you could essentially earn money just cleaning businesses like this, taking care of the mirrors, taking care of the windows, making sure that their business looks absolutely incredible so that their business can make more money. So if you guys are interested in learning a side hustle or maybe even a business to make some extra money, an extra $3,000 to $5,000 a month, this is an opportunity. This is a great opportunity. This job right here, I get paid $225. It's about a two and a half hour job. So it's more than $90 an hour. Not bad. If you're making $15, $20 an hour and you want to make some more money than that, because come on, you're worth more than $20 an hour. You could do something like this. You can acquire clients like this, dance studios, and make upwards to, between $50 to $100 an hour. So anyway, if you guys are interested in that, the link is going to be down below. I'm going to get to taking care of these windows. Peace. Why I enjoy storefront window cleaning and why you should possibly consider it, some reasons why. So number one is that it's very low stress for the most part. Like jobs like this is a recurring job that I take care of every 2 weeks. I know what to do. It's simple. I show up, there's nobody here. I come in, I have keys, I take care of the business, and I do my best. And it's simple, it's low stress. I don't have anyone breathing over my neck, and I simply do the job. I make sure that their mirrors, their windows look great so that when the business opens, they feel good that their business looks great. And I feel good that I can help provide a service that ensures that their business stays looking its best. So yeah, it's low stress and it's also flexible. I always come in the morning for this job, but I can come in later in the day, I can come in at nighttime. So it's very flexible, very flexible. And you can get quite a few clients like this. If you prospect and if you pitch enough, you can get clients that are great, that work with your schedule, that pay well, that respect your time, respect your work, and yeah, you don't have to settle for low wage work. If you're working at, Subway, you're working at, anywhere, 7-Eleven, and you're hungry to make some more money, you want some independence, some more freedom, this is a business, this is a side hustle you can try, you can experiment. Go out, try to sell some services to some yoga studios, some dance studios. See if you can get any clients, you know? And you'll be surprised that if you go out enough, consistent enough, you're gonna land some clients, you're gonna be able to get some work like this, and you're gonna be able to make some more money. You're gonna be able to increase your earning income, your earning potential. So that's just a quick little snippet, little thing I wanted to share on why I like this business. Guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this job. I still gotta do the other room. My battery is about to die, so I can't film everything. It's essentially another room, 2 rooms of dance mirrors. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you're interested in the course for the Storefront Window Cleaning Blueprint, you're going to start making money by cleaning storefront businesses. The link is down below. Go check it out. The course is now live. So that's the video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.